Hello guys, it's Sunil DJ here. Today we are going to unbox and review Chevron Bluetooth Thunderbass earbuds. You can see the box. The packaging was really good. Let's see what's inside. You can see the charging dock and also the two earbuds. The charging docks really looks nice, and also we have the area for charging the earbuds. Here are the earbuds. They just go and snap inside the charging power bank. You can see the 4 LEDs glowing. It's fully charged, and also the earbuds are glowing red. They are also charging. Let's see what's inside the box. We get a pouch for handling the power bank and also the earbuds safely. We got a USB cable inside the pouch. We get some extra earbuds for our convenience. And here is the user manual. Now let's just pair and test the earbuds. I'm going to switch on my earbud. In first attempt I just switched on, but I didn't get into the pairing mode, so I can't pair into my device. Then second attempt I just entered into the pairing mode, and I just paired with my Lenovo P2, and also the process was very easy. You can see that I failed in the first attempt. I can't recognize the earbuds. In second attempt I just long pressed both the buttons of the earbuds, and I just entered into the pairing mode as the blue and red LEDs flicker each other. You can see the second attempt, there was the Bluetooth icon named Thunderbass, and I just connected them. It's so tiny and just gets fitted in any of your ears. The charging process is also very easy, and it's also very easy to handle them using this pouch. Then guys, that's all, and I will be posting a long-term review of this earbuds after using them around 2 months or later, and I also post some gym related videos with testing with this. So stay tuned with TechnoChamp's channel, and also subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.